Well, it's been a few days and you can see that our team has made some good progress. The base for the patio is down. And while the machine was here, they moved the stones around, so we have a little definition between patio and yard space. There'll be some screening right here with arborvitaes. They dropped some loam and some seeds, so we'll get some grass in this area. And we got some lumber donated, which means that it is time to start framing up the deck. Morning, fellas.
Hey, Kevin.
Hey, Kevin.
So we got a plan?
We do. Mark and his guys came by and knocked out these footers for us. We got nice new tubes, 4 feet down. We got to be below the frost line here in New England.
Love it.
Now we're going to start framing, and we're going to go against the old ledger. That's really bolted right nice, tight to the wall. We'll put our second ledger in and frame off of that.
We'll use pressure-treated 2x8s to make up the frame of this deck. We'll fasten everything together using framing nails and structural screws.
Now we're getting ready to cut the stringers for the stairway. And the stringers structural part are going to be 2x12s because we want to be nice and strong after we cut the sawtooth pattern out. We still want to have a lot of structure underneath them so that it doesn't have any bounce in the stairway. So I've set my step depth at 10 inches and my riser height at 7 11/16. I'll mark the riser, the step. Now I'll just mark this all the way down the 2x12 and I'll have my stringers all marked and ready to cut.
Now that we have the deck box framed up and pitching away from the house, we know exactly what height to cut our posts at. We'll attach them to the base using hanger nails.
Hey guys, looking
Hey,
good.
Jen.
Hey, Jen.
First stringer in.
It's the most important, right?
Yeah, what are you up to?
Well, I'm gonna go plant some arborvitaes. I was just wondering if you could help me.
You want me?
Yeah, can I borrow him?
Pops, can you handle it without me?
Oh, I can get along without them.
He's so happy.
All right.
Look at this greenery you got us, Jen.
Yep.
Beauties.
So these are a western arborvitae called Thuya plicata green giant.
Easy
And
for you to say.
they're gonna grow together as a green wall, give a little privacy, you
Yep.
know, soften the area. And
Fast growers, green all year long.
fast growers.
So this is going to screen this entire yard.
Yep, I'm gonna have grass over here, green wall here, and it'll be all set.
I presume you brought me over for my strong back, weak mind.
Let's go.
All right.
Like with any plant, we're going to dig a hole that's twice as wide and just as deep as the root ball.
Nice.
These are root bound.
Look at them. It's just one big solid chunk of roots.
That's why I like this thing, because it just cuts into it.
I got to get me a hory.
In order to lower the deck and work our way around the existing manifold, we're going to shorten a few joists and head them off on the end.
After the joists are installed, we'll double back and install hangers for additional support.
I'm going to broadcast some starter fertilizer to help these roots get established in the new soil.
To reinforce the decking, we're going to install this horizontal blocking that's called bridging.
Look at this. Nice progress. This looks good, guys.
Yep, the deck's framed, the stairs are framed, and now we're ready for our volunteers.
Bring them on. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.